Yeah, 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 yeah. Y me dice, oh, promesas son nada más que solo palabras, y si no las cumples se van a desvanecer. Algún día volverás tú al lado mío y yo de testigo.
Alright, hello lovely people from around the world. How are you doing, guys? I hope so, keeping well and we are happy and safely. And today is like always very sunny day in Bali and we are in Uluwatu. And we're gonna have just chill out. I used to spend all morning editing the video when you used to work, so we just gonna chill out in the looking over the sunset in the Indian Ocean. We are in the nice place in Uluwatu.
Yes.
It's called La Joya.
La Joya. We are in La Joya view, and then we will explore more. Look at me, I'm swinging.
This is the Mrs.
then-
Monkeys. That's why we have Monkeys
Yeah.
name in the because yeah.
Whenever we found like this, we will just enjoy it.
Yeah.
And then we will explore how the sunset
Okay.
will be beautiful.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Vamos 1, 2, 3, sin estrés. Muéstrame esos pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres moverlo sin pena, ven. Sin estrés, muéstrame esos pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres que brinda la vida y que nos hace tan feliz. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres, como acariciarte y conocerte de raíz. Recuperé la fe cuando yo a ti te vi, mami. Bailabas como un ángel, me acuerdo de ese party. No lo hacías despacito, no eras como Daddy, eras como Bad Bunny, tu flow bastante cari, alright. Hermoso y con timidez me gusta, y con esa sencillez que asusta. Sabes bien cómo es que es combi completa de cabeza a lo...
Alright, we're gonna have a coffee first, waiting for sunset. Winnie is making some videos. How are you, buddy? They are tired, so hot. Oh, how are you, buddy? No.
Nggak tahu bisa.
How are you doing, buddy?
Nala. Oh, he wanna kiss you.
Wanna kiss me?
Hi, Nala.
How you doing, guys? As you see over there is so cool place.
Yeah.
And now we're going down somewhere here. Oh.
Over
And
there?
we will see the Hanover pool and let's see what is there because I never been here, so I don't know. Right, and we are down. So it's the second part of this place, and check this out. This is the lovely pool. Over there is the ocean, and it's like, wow!
This one
I
is-
already need to jump to the pool for sure.
Yeah, this one is the infinity pool, and then we will watch beautiful sunset later on.
And will be beautiful time lapse for sure. Check this out over here. Can you see this properly? Be aware of the beautiful monkeys. They love to steal your belongings. I hope so they didn't gonna steal my laptop or something because I left everything on the table upstairs. The video is uploading for today. Here is the entrance to the private beach, but it's already 5 o'clock and the sunset is just in 1 hour and I still have some stuff to do. I need to keep eye on my laptop, so we're not gonna go today to the beach. However, one day we will come back here. Anyway, if you already like the place and you are interested about where is it, this is in Uluwatu.
Sin estrés, muéstrame sus pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres moverlo sin pena, ven. Sin estrés, muéstrame sus pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres que brinda la vida y que nos hace tan feliz.
Winnie is swimming. It's super cool place. Yes, Sayang?
Yeah.
Are you enjoying?
Yes.
Alright, so as you can see, guys, we are in the super cool pool overlooking the Indian Ocean, and it's sunset in just 20-30 minutes. And I think that will be enough for today's vlog. Sorry guys, today may be a little bit boring, but with amazing views. So please enjoy, like always. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, so later in the end, you will see how beautiful sunset here in Bali.
See you tomorrow, like always, 7 p.m.
Bye.
Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres que brinda la vida y que nos hace tan feliz. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres, como acariciarte y conocerte de raíz. Inicio el futuro, bebé. Ya tú sabes.
They have a nice sink. Check this out. Cool.